Today, we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot in the comments. Does Beforepay automatically take money out of your bank account? Now, if you're new around here, Beforepay is a service that lets you get paid early for work you've already done. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But, like any financial tool, it's important to understand how it works before you dive in. So, let's break it down. The short answer is, no, Beforepay doesn't automatically withdraw money from your bank account. Phew, right? That's a big relief for many. But let's dig a little deeper. How does Beforepay actually work? You get paid early. When you use Beforepay, you essentially get a portion of your upcoming paycheck up front. It's not a loan. Think of it more as an advance on your earnings. You repay on payday. When your actual payday arrives, Beforepay automatically deducts the amount you received early, plus a small service fee, directly from your paycheck. So, no surprises, no unexpected withdrawals. Now, here's the thing. Beforepay is designed to be a convenient and flexible tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Only use it for necessary expenses. Avoid using it for frivolous purchases. Check the fees. Understand the service fee associated with each advance. Track your spending. Keep a close eye on your budget to ensure you can comfortably repay the advance on payday. Pro tip: Beforepay often provides clear information about their fees and repayment schedules on their website or app. Always review these details carefully before making any decisions. Okay, let's address some common concerns. What happens if I don't have enough funds in my account on payday? Most providers have mechanisms to handle this. Some might offer a grace period, while others may charge late fees. Can I cancel in advance? In most cases, yes. However, there might be restrictions or cancellation fees depending on the provider's terms and conditions. Always check the terms and conditions of the specific Beforepay provider you're considering. Beforepay itself doesn't automatically withdraw money from your account. You get paid early, and repayment happens on your regular payday. However, it's essential to use Beforepay responsibly and understand the terms and conditions to avoid any unexpected fees or issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.